If you like my dad's videos, please subscribe to QA Insights channel.
So in last video, we have seen how we can measure the LLM performance using Ollama Stream Sampler. So we created a brand new sampler to send a prompt to Ollama and we get the output. And we measured the one of the golden signal, which is time to first token. So that was our last video's objective and we were able to do it successfully. So now we are going to take our skill development to the next level. So in this video, we are going to develop an assertion called Ollama Judge. So before we dive into the JMeter, I would like to share about this film. I'm not sure how many of you have seen this. If you're not, you can just see this. So it's a science fiction thriller film where AI acts as a judge. So based on the scenarios, input, it will give the verdict basically. So the similar concept I just converted for JMeter ecosystem, where we are going to create an assertion called Ollama Judge Assertion. So for this, you need Ollama Stream Sampler. So in this element, what we are going to do is we are just giving some prompt to Ollama. Say for example, the sun rises in the east. And then we added as a child element the judge assertion, right? So now what it will do is in the judge assertion, you have to mention the same endpoint and the model, which model or you can use it. For example, you can use the judge as a different model as well. That's why I configured these parameters here. And the criteria I have to give, like fact check or validate and some prompt kind of a criteria. And based on the input and output, it will evaluate and then it will give you whether it's pass or fail. Well, in this example, we gave sun rises in the east. Yes. So it gave an output. Yes, that's absolutely correct. And it gave a pass. Basically, if you see here, it is pass. But the same prompt in a different way. For example, sun rises in the west, if you give. So then the Ollama judge will evaluate that and it will say, okay, that's fantastic, but wonderfully strange statement. That judge assertion will fail the particular output. So this is the implementation, the idea behind the Ollama judge assertion. So now we are going to see it in an action. So I'm not going to write any code because I've already seen the code, but I'm going to walk through this because it's a reusing of the reusable components of the previous videos only. I'm nothing special here. So as usual, we are going to define a GUI package, and inside that we define the Ollama Judge Assertion GUI, except that we are extending the respective GUI component. So here we are extending abstract assertion GUI, again constructor, and then private void. So here we are just creating all the elements like prompt, model, criteria, URL, and endpoint, and we just getters and setters. So nothing fancy here. But in the assertion, if you see here, we are extending the abstract test element and we are implementing the assertion. So again, if you just implement all the methods, it will just select the relevant must implemented methods. You can just hit enter. And here the same, whatever we implemented in the earlier videos only. So here we get the response and we have to just extract the information for each field. For example, sampler data, endpoint, model, everything. And then I'm just doing some null checks. And here we are passing the information to the judge response. So wamaJudge.judgeResponse. Now if you go to this class, so this particular static method will take all the endpoint, model, criteria, and evaluation input. So here the main thing is this is the judge prompt. So here we are just telling act as a judge and evaluate the answer and give only pass or fail based on the answer is accurate, pass, any errors, fail. So again, we are sending this information, everything to Ollama, and it will just give whether it is a pass or fail because the return type is Boolean here. That's it. So now what we can do, let us go to Maven and double click install. Okay, now it's done. Let us launch JMeter. Let me open Ollama.jmx here. Okay, so here the sun rises in the east. So let me open this log viewer so that we can see it clearly. Let me clear this. So now in the judge assertion, again the same endpoint, model, and the fact check. So now let me run this. So now the full prompt sent to Ollama. So criteria is fact check and the prompt and other details. So now if you expand this, you can see pass, and if you go to request, the prompt is sunrise in the east. The response data, yes, that's absolutely correct. And this is pass because the actual, it's a fact, right? So it is passing. So now if you just give some other negative scenario like 1 plus 1 equals 3, and let me clear my screen and hit run. So this should fail. So as you see here, that's a classic riddle, and 1 plus 1 equals 3 incorrect, and judge is failing. So AI judge returned fail for the response. So this will only come when it is failing, not for passing. So this is how you can leverage the AI to evaluate. Basically, you can run some evaluation framework using multiple models or class between the models. For example, OpenAI input, and you can use Claude as an evaluation judge AI. This is how you can just think out of the box, and you can create various entities of AI in JMeter by leveraging all these elements. I hope this video is pretty useful. In next video, we're going to see how we can optimize and little tips and tricks in JMeter plugin development. Thank you.
If you like my dad's videos, please subscribe to QA Insights channel.